Hey everybody, Stephanie here again with the Jefferson Performing Arts Society. Today we're going to be working on a prop for our production 42nd Street. What we're going to be making is a lake cast. These are the materials needed to make a lake cast. An apron to protect the clothing, a rain boot to be the base of the cast, flour, water, a measuring cup, a whisk, and a mixing bowl, plastic wrap to protect your surface, inexpensive paper towels or newspaper, and a stack of large plastic cups to fill out the rain boot. As you can see, I've already prepped my surface with the cling wrap and put on my apron to protect my clothing. So the first step is to take your mixing bowl, flour and water, and make your paste. Equal parts flour and water. I've got 2 cups of water already ready to go, so I need 2 cups of flour. I'm just going to eyeball it. Now for the fun part. Get your rain boot, paper towels, and just dip into your flour water mixture. Get off as much excess as you can. And then just start wrapping the boot. Ooh, it's slippery. You're going to continue this process until you completely cover the boot and make sure all of the print is covered. One thing I would do for the production that I did not do in this boot is I would cut off the toe here as well, and then wrap on the inside as well as wrap on the inside of the slippery wrap on the inside here to cover the black part. But because this is my own rain boot and I do want to wear them again, I'm just going to let this dry and then cut it off and wash it off when I'm ready to wear them. Hey everybody! So today we're going to continue on with the cast project. Everything is dry, it's time to do the next detailed steps. You can see that I've already started to add just some cotton around the edge of the boot. I just did this with basic cotton balls that you can get in your bathroom, and just stretched it out and did a hot glue gun and then just slowly placed it completely around the boot. What I would do normally, because I mentioned I wanted to cut off the toe for the actual production boot, I would do this same process around that toe edge. But again, because these are my own personal boots, I'm going to stick with the toe closure. So you can see I have already prepped my station again with my plastic wrap just to make sure nothing gets too sticky and too messy. So what we're using, instead of the flour and water mixture, for the next materials that we're going to be using, I'm going to use some wood glue and water mixture. Normally I'd use Elmer's glue, but I don't have that, so this is what we're going to be using today. So you could use your basic school Elmer's glue at home. I would do 2 parts water, 1 part glue. And I've already done that step in my mixing bowl. And then the next step, I have stripped some muslin fabric to about 3-inch strips. And then I've also taken some of that triangle bandage that I used in the sweet potato video and made some strips of that also. I'm going to do a layering effect of the muslin and then covering that with the triangle bandage or your cheesecloth, and just to create more of that cast look. So let's take glue and water mixture, grab a strip of our muslin fabric, and we're just going to soak it. Do the same process that we did with the paper towels, but this takes a minute just to absorb all that glue. Just give it a nice wring, take out all that excess. We're going to start at the top, and we don't want to completely cover the cotton. We want it to stick out. And just continue this process. The muslin wrap around the rest of the page. So flipping it over and back to the muslin fabric. Boot is now fully covered with the muslin material, and we're going to continue on with the layering of the bandage. On. Now, try time. And here is our final product, a solid, realistic looking leg cast that the actor can take on and off easily during the production. I had a lot of fun making this with you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and stick around for more JPass videos from our company, and we'll make it through this.